If you're 40 to 65 years old, you work out and you keep getting that sharp or nagging pain in the front of your shoulder every time you bench, press, curl, or do chin-ups, this video is for you. Most people skip upper body day or do a couple random stretches and hope their bicep tendon doesn't flare up. Today, I'm gonna give you a 5-minute bicep tendonitis warm-up. 3 exercises, 2 quick rounds. You can plug in before every upper body workout to take pressure off the front of your shoulder and let the right muscles do their job. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist with Comeback Performance. We help active adults in their 40s, 50s, and 60s who wanna stay in the gym, not retire from training, fix nagging shoulder pain and bicep tendon pain so they can keep lifting without worrying that every set will light up their shoulder. If you suspect your pain is coming from the biceps tendon in the front of your shoulder, this routine is for you. If you're not sure if it's actually bicep tendonitis, go watch my video, How to Fix Bicep Tendonitis Fast, test plus 3 best exercises after this. In that video, I walk you through the self-test and full plan. This video is the warm-up piece you can use before every gym session. When people hear bicep tendonitis, they think I need to stretch the front of my shoulder or I'll just stop curling. The reality is your bicep tendon is actually a victim, not the true villain. In our Big 5 system, we look at the neck, where the nerves that feed the bicep and shoulder start, the thoracic spine or your upper back. If this is stiff, your shoulder has to steal motion. Your shoulder blade, the platform the bicep and rotator cuff live on. Your shoulder joint, the true ball and socket that needs to stay centered. And your nervous system, nerves that run from the neck to the shoulder into your arm. When the shoulder blade doesn't move, the back of the shoulder is weak and the joint feels unstable, the bicep tendon steps in to help stabilize and control positions it was never meant to own by itself. That's when you get that front of shoulder ache with curls, sharp pain at the bottom of bench, or burning with chin-ups. So this 5-minute shoulder routine is not simply just a bicep warm-up. It includes a scap drill to get your shoulder blades moving, a posterior shoulder strengthening drill to unload the front of the shoulder, and a stability drill to make the whole system feel safe under load. When these 3 areas improve, your bicep tendon doesn't have to be the firefighter anymore. As you move through these, it's okay to feel muscles working and a light stretch in the front of the shoulder. It's not okay to feel sharp, catching, or electric pain. If you hit a red light pain, such as sharp, jolty, or clearly worse later, shorten the range or skip that exercise until things calm down. For this 5-minute routine, you're gonna do banded scap angels for 12 reps, banded extension and external rotations for 10 reps, and shoulder taps, 8 taps each side. That's round 1. Then you'll repeat all 3 again for round 2. 3 drills, 2 rounds, 5 minutes if you move with intent. Now let's break each exercise down. Exercise 1 is a banded scap angel. The Big 5 focus is the shoulder blade and joint space. The goal of this exercise is to teach your shoulder blades to move and clear space in the front of the joint. Anchor a light band in front of you at about chest height. Grab the band with both hands elbow straight and walk back to create light tension. Bring your hands towards your hips, keeping your elbows straight. This sets the shoulders down and back. From there, slowly move your arms up and out into a Y or angel position, ending with your biceps near your ears if it's comfortable. Return with control. For cues, we want to think shoulder blades tipping back and rotating up as your arms rise. Second is keeping your ribs down. Don't let your low back arch to fake overhead range. Complete 12 controlled reps, then move to the next exercise. If you want to go deeper into this, the Big 5 training guide is linked right in the description. Exercise 2 is banded extension and external rotation. Big 5 focus areas for the shoulder joint and posterior cuff. The goal is to strengthen the back of the shoulder so your biceps tendon doesn't have to stabilize everything. To start, place a light band around your wrist behind your back. Start with your arms straight and hands near your hips. Next, you're going to pull the band apart slightly to create external rotation tension. While holding that tension, you're going to move your shoulder slightly back into extension. Then you're going to return to the start with control. For cues, feel this between and behind your shoulders, not in your neck. No shrugging, shoulders stay away from your ears. Smooth out, smooth back, no jerking. Complete 10 slow reps, then move to the next exercise. Exercise 3 is shoulder taps. Big 5 focus areas for the shoulder joint and trunk stability. The goal is to build close chain stability so the shoulders feel safe under load. To start, get into a push-up position, or you can have your hands on a bench. You're going to keep your feet a bit wider for more stability. Shift your weight slightly and tap your opposite shoulder with one hand, then switch sides. You want to keep your torso as still as possible. Think quiet hips, quiet ribs, busy shoulders. Start slow, quality always over speed. Complete 8 taps per side, then you're going to go back to the top for round 2. Your full 5-minute bicep tendonitis warm-up before upper body. Round 1, banded scap angels 12 reps, banded extension and external rotation 10 reps, and shoulder taps 8 reps per side. Round 2, repeat the same 3 exercises in the same order. Move with purpose, don't rush. You should finish this in about 5 minutes, feeling back of the shoulder and upper back awake, front of the shoulder feeling lighter and not more irritated. This leads you to feeling more stable when you grab the bar, dumbbells, or pull-up bar. One of my clients, Armand, an active gym goer, was having pain with all pushing movements before we started working together. After we built this same kind of activation into his training, this is what he said.
But I feel the difference. I feel just my muscle firing in the back and going up and down with no pain. So I'm like, all right, once I've stabilized the shoulder and I've bulletproofed the routine.
That's the point of this warm-up. It's not magic, but a repeatable way to stabilize and unload the front of the shoulder before you ask it to do the work. Let's recap. Bicep tendonitis isn't just a bicep issue. It's usually a scap and joint stability problem viewed through the big 5. Your 5-minute pre-upper body template: banded scap angel 12 reps, banded extension external rotations 10 reps, and shoulder taps 8 per side. Then you're gonna repeat all 3 a second time. Feeling a light stretch and muscle work are okay. Sharp catching pain is not. If you're not sure if the front of your shoulder pain is actually bicep tendonitis, or you want the full plan, test, explanation, and progressions, go watch my video, How to Fix Bicep Tendonitis Fast, test plus 3 best exercises. I'll link it on screen and in the description. To help you see the whole picture beyond just the tendon, I also put together a free Big 5 shoulder fix guide that walks through the 5 key areas: your neck, thoracic spine, shoulder blade, shoulder joint, and nerves, plus tests and exercises to start changing each one. You can download it using the link in the description. And if you want a personalized second opinion style plan built around your bicep tendonitis, your training, and your goals, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.